Welcome back to the channel, Credit K's YouTube channel. We talk about business credit, personal credit, finance, crypto, everything related to help you level up in life. We're about that. So we're back with another video to help you do just that, level up from those low credit scores up to the high credit scores so you can get approved for those high limit credit cards. Flip that, start businesses, start investing, and start getting fucking rich, man. All right, so let's go. Now, the Chime Credit Builder. Chime Credit Builder is one of those credit building, kind of easy to obtain, no credit check credit builder. Sound like Self, sort of like Grain, some of the other ones I mentioned on the channel. But Chime, that you may already have a bank account for, offers you a credit building credit card where you can use and spend money, and as you pay back, it reports to all the three major credit bureaus and boosts your credit score. I've seen people credit scores jump up over 100 points by using this over just 3-4 months. So guys, definitely take advantage of it. Want to take a look inside, take a look at a couple of data points on the website, how to apply, and give a full review of what I think of it. Back to the site, chime.com credit builder. As you see, here's the new way to build credit. Secure credit card with Chime. So no annual fee, no credit check, no minimum deposit required. Looks like you can probably deposit only $2 and have a $2 line of credit. I don't recommend that at all. At least deposit $100, but this is not financial advice. This is something I would do. To have high reporting limits to these three major credit bureaus. Over time, your credit score will rise and you will get approved for higher limit credit cards. And a little bit about this card for you guys that are definitely under 650 credit score. This is a great card for you to boost you up to where you need to be. I've seen credit scores, like I said, increase over 100 points. So, with this, you deposit the money, especially if you're already a Chime member. It's easy to sign up for this. If you're not, then you'll probably have to get a Chime account to sign up. All right, guys, so I went through the quick application process. Here it is. I'll agree here. So here you'll agree to get the secured card, and you're going to actually get a checking account at the same time. So they do require you to get a checking account once you sign up for this. So there's a data point for you guys, part of the Stride Bank. I'm actually do not need the Chime card, so I'm not going to go through with it. It's not a hard credit check or anything as I read, but like I said, I'm not interested in getting a secured card or having a Chime bank account. I have other ones that are a lot better, but if you are, like I said, building that credit on that credit building journey, definitely check that out. In regards to building your credit, definitely get the Chime account, or if you messed up in the check systems, kind of tried to flip some money in the past, Chime account is the way to go. All right, so back to the website. I said no large deposit. You do need to deposit at least $200, looks like. So make sure you do have that readily available in your Chime checking account to deposit that $200, and you can spend it once you put it back on there. So don't worry about that. Give you a nice green card, no annual fees, which is a plus. I guess no interest. See if you can see anything about interest when spending on a credit card. I can't see why they'll be charging interest, but we don't charge no fees, no annual fees, no maintenance fees, no international fees, no interest. So this is a definitely plus for the credit building process. You want to make sure you guys take advantage of this Not gonna make this video too long, but the Chime Credit Builder is a plus for building credit. Real simple. You get a bank account with Chime, load at least $200. Make the payments monthly every time you spend. Pay it off. That $200 will refresh, or whatever your initial deposit is will refresh over time every time you pay it off, until it'll possibly graduate to something bigger, or you can close the loan out. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this on up. Credit K, Chime Credit Builder. I did a short about this as well, so you can see that short on my channel, but this is kind of a long review, kind of, a couple of data points of what you'll receive. Like I said, it reports to all the credit bureaus, and the deposit and the reporting number depends on your deposit. Check it out.